with another double unboxing vid. I got two sneakers that should, well, one of them actually literally just came in as soon as I actually got home from work, of course. Then this one came in earlier. One is from Go. Yeah, one is from Go and one is from Grail. The one from Grail, I'm definitely gonna open this one second. So we better just go ahead and open it up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and let me know if you guys think these are heated. So I can't wait to check these out. My address is on his. I'm trying not to, show that. And got my knife. And and the funny thing is, this one that I'm about to open up. I wasn't even supposed to get this one. I was supposed to get this one from from Post Mode, but some funny shit happened with Post Mode, so I ended up getting something different. But I ended up finding the exact same pair that I saw from Post Mode, and yeah, so I could better just go ahead and get straight into it. So again, this one I'm about to open up is straight from Go. This literally just came as soon as I got home from it got here before I got home. So I cannot wait to see. It is a Jordan, of course. And now you already know I don't buy brand new Adidas sneakers from Go. Mainly is unless it's for a really low price. So of course your boy gotta use shoe. And I'm gonna give my reaction before I show it to you guys. Oh shit, hold on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hold on, y'all. Y'all ready for this? Your boy got the Bugs Bunnies. Oh, these are clean. These are clean. Oh yeah, these are definitely clean. And yeah, there's my size, of course. My first pair of 8s ever. Just look at that. You probably can't see it that much, but the Velcro strap still looks good. As always, the Bugs Bunny 8s. I'm really glad to have these. These joints is actually, like I said, my first pair of 8s in the collection. Very dope. Again, I bought it from the used session. As you can see, it is dirty, but you already know your boy's gonna clean them up. Just look at it. This pair looks so dope. No cracking or anything like that. Like I said, I just gotta clean these up. That's it. Not too much creasing on the shoe, of course, but it's still a good looking pair, nonetheless. No cracking, no nothing. Of course, a lot of wear on the bottom, but it's still good, as y'all can see. These joints is fire. And these bitches is cold because they've been outside for a minute. But yes, your boy got the Bugs Bunnies. All white with the red and the gray and the black. Of course, after I do this video, I gotta clean these up. So, like I said before, I was actually thinking about getting these first. But like I said, this one, I saw it from a different site. Simple shit happened. Got it from Grail. And yeah, so we better go ahead and check out the other one. Oh, also, like I said before, I did get it from Goat. Shout out to Goat, of course. And then of course here's the verification, authentication tag and everything. So that doesn't matter. Now, I can go ahead and put the spots over here. Grab my knife. Open this up again. Like so. I'm excited for this one. I was really excited for that one, but this one I'm definitely excited for. This out. So your boy got another pair of Jordans. Like I said before, this one I was supposed to get or post mode, but again, it is what it is. So of course, what shoe did your boy get? So I got the Bugs Bunnies. So the boy got. Oh yeah, y'all see it. Y'all see it. The Aquas, the Aqua H. But let me put these down. Let's see the button picture. You guys should look better in hand in the pictures. The boy got a pair of Aquas. Yeah. Like, I'm just speechless. I got a pair of Aquas. Okay, I gotta like put some socks in here, but overall, your boy got a pair of Aquas. Look at this. Yes, sir. I gotta find some like a purple shirt or a purple sweatshirt to match with this, but like these, look at the beauty. The purple, the blue, and then look at the bottoms. Like, that's the main reason I was able to get these. Like, the bottoms look good. And like I said before, I bought the Bugs Bunnies. Actually, bought that here. Of course, I bought, because I didn't get the Aquas, I ended up getting these. But then, of course, I went on Grab. Like, I don't want to Grab. I just typed in AirJordan, and the first thing I saw was these. These were going like a few dollars more than what I paid for on Postmark, and I did get my money back from Postmark. But either way, I still bought it nonetheless. But I'm just happy to have this. This is probably like the best, like the second best pair that I have so far. Like, this one is clean. Like, very, very clean. Again, let me check the other one.
NANI?!
But okay, now I'm kind of a little bit mad. And I'm gonna show you in a minute, but look.
Oh my God!
You didn't tell me about that. You did not tell me about that. Damn. I mean, it is what it is. I'm gonna wear them regardless. It is what it is. Like, cause again, like I said, like this pair, like I can see the bottom on these was good. Then, cause like I wonder why he didn't show the other bottoms, but I mean, it is what it is. I paid what I paid for it, and I'm just glad to have them. Like, that's it. This is the 2015 pair, by the way, but I mean, it is what it is. I can't be mad at it. I bought the pair. It's all good. But yes, your boy got both 8s, the Bugs Bunnies, and the Aquas. I'm glad to have these in the collection. I'm still kind of mad about that. Like, you should have showed me a picture of the bottoms, but the bottom of this pair, but it is what it is. It's all good though. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and end this unboxing video right now. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and share if you don't watch my video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. So guys got up there. I'm gonna live stream perfect and stuff like that. Links will be in the description. And let me know which pair do you guys think is the best? Bunnies or the Aquas? Honestly, I really do like the Aqua because it's like a really nice unique colorway, but I do dig the Bugs Bunny because they have like more wearability than like the Aquas. But the Aquas is a dope color, but I'm just glad to have both. You know, I didn't need to buy both, but I got them. It is what it is. But y'all wanna definitely expect a review. I don't know which one. I don't know which one I'm gonna review first, but. Yeah, I don't know which one I'm gonna review first, but yeah, I don't know which one I'm gonna review first, but you know, like I said, definitely stay tuned for that. So thanks guys for watching, and peace.